Guys, today I will be sharing a Valentine's Day strawberry cream cheese cookies. For the ingredients, we need 3/4 cup of room temperature butter, 4 ounces or 115 grams of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, 3 egg yolks, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 1/2 cups of plain flour, glazed cherries that I cut in half. For the strawberry flavoring, you can either use this brand. You can get this at any Asian groceries, or you can use this one because this one is easier to find. Strawberry flavoring. If you use this, you might need to use food coloring, which is pink. You will need 1 1/2 teaspoon of strawberry flavoring. For the first step, we're going to mix the dry ingredients. So combine the plain flour, salt, baking soda, and the cream of tartar. Give this a quick mix, and then we will set this aside. In a bowl, combine the room temperature butter and room temperature cream cheese. And then using an electric mixer, we're going to mix this until they are well combined. So once they are well combined, we can add the sugar. Again, continue mixing, and then add the egg yolks one at a time, mixing in each addition. Occasionally stop to scrape down the side of the bowl. At this point, we can add in the strawberry flavoring. I'm using the one that you can buy from the Asian supermarket because this one you don't need food coloring. Again, we need 1 1/2 teaspoon. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon first and then mix, and then I'm adding the half a teaspoon. Now we can add the dry ingredients. To begin, use the spatula to mix the ingredients so the flour will not fly everywhere. At this point, to finish the mixing, use the handheld mixer. But remember not to overmix the batter or the dough. By the way, your oven should be preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. So once everything is well mixed, cover this with cling wrap and let it rest in the fridge for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I divided the dough about 20 grams each, and then I lightly roll it into a ball, and then I'm sprinkling, this is optional, sanding sugar. To this, we're going to press in the middle half of the glazed cherries. So I cut the glazed cherries in half. Then place this into your baking pan lined with parchment paper, and then continue doing the same process. And we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 7 to 8 minutes. And this is what it looks like after baking. Let it cool down completely in the baking pan before moving it into your serving platter. And this is our finished product. I hope you give this a try. This is really good. I can guarantee that you're gonna love this. This is a nice present for Valentine's Day. And just to show you what it looks like when you cut the cookies in half. So it's slightly crispy on the outside and very chewy in the middle. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!